We're watching the end of something, the slow collapse of job titles as we know them, and the rise of something far more powerful. Let's bring this home. For decades, job titles were signals. They told people who you were, what you controlled, how much power you had. But today, that signal is breaking. More and more people no longer trust titles to reflect real authority. When someone says, Vice President or Head of, the reaction isn't immediate respect. It's hesitation. What does that actually mean? Because we've seen behind the curtain. We've seen titles that sound powerful, but carry no real weight. And once a signal loses trust, it loses value. That's exactly what's happening now. So what replaces it? Impact. Not what you're called, but what you do. Not where you sit, but what you move. Not the title you hold, but the results you create. We're shifting from hierarchy to networks, from authority to influence, from roles to contributions. And this shift is accelerating. Teams are becoming fluid. Work is becoming decentralized. Collaboration is becoming borderless. And in this world, your reputation becomes your resume. Your work becomes your identity. Your influence becomes your power. This changes everything. Because for the first time, authority isn't locked behind promotions. It's not controlled by hierarchy. It's not granted from above. It's created by what you consistently do. Through your actions. Through your reliability. Through your ability to move people and ideas forward. And that leads to a simple truth. You don't have to wait anymore. Not for a title. Not for validation. Not for permission. Because the people who win in this system are the ones who act before they are officially allowed to. Titles were never the source of power. They were just shortcuts. Real power comes from trust, from results, from impact. And the best part? You don't need permission to start.